Aster holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. First and foremost, thank you for your guys' support. It's been amazing. Let's get right in today's update and really understand, what's happening with Aster right now and what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. And you guys know the drill. If you want to see more of these updates, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. So again, the broader market feeling a lot of love right now, which we can obviously see across the board. Aster up 11%. But let's take a closer look and really see where we are currently sitting. The price currently sitting, as of recording this update, $2.06. It's having an amazing day, up 11% in USD, up 10% in Bitcoin. Comparative valuation, almost 3.5 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume through the roof. And we know that this coin is now listed on Binance Spot. It was already listed on the future side, but Binance was able to come and list this on their spot side. And again, it was inevitable, right? With obviously the CZ links and stuff, it did end up happening. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening right now. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So far the feedback has been amazing. A lot of you guys agree with my overall take on the comparison with Hyperliquid. Aster, again, is a decentralized exchange, but Hyperliquid is a full-on layer 1 blockchain. But again, competition is there. The competition is there, hence there's so much interest coming in. But again, let's take a closer look and see what is happening. Look what CZ says. Now it's, I wish I bought early season, and I totally agree with that. We're already starting to see, hints of that happening. Take a look at the last 1 week. To anyone that is thinking that we're not moving right now, I want you guys to pause the video and just take a look at what I'm sharing with you guys here. We're seeing big moves happening, and it's only been 6 days since the start of October. Time and time out before going into Q4. Your boy Crypto ZX been talking about how we need to prepare for Q4, and now that these exciting moves are coming, we also need to be prepared for locking in profits. You don't want to just sit there and enjoy the prices in your portfolio skyrocketing without locking some profits in. Make sure you are taking those profits off of the table. But let's take a look at what's happening with Aster right now. So first and foremost, take a look at what's happening with the dominance, exactly what we want to see the dominance do. And with the rate the dominance is falling right now, I'm anticipating for us to retest the 58.58% in the next few hours to come. And again, this is exactly what you want to see happening. The interesting thing, I highlighted this in my HBAR update as well. BTC, of course, was able to reach a new all-time high, which is amazing to see. But as Bitcoin retraced today, yesterday we saw the complete opposite. Remember, if you saw what happened yesterday, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $125,760. We came down to $122,000, and look what happened with the dominance. It actually did the complete opposite. We retested a new monthly high. But now the exact same thing happened with Bitcoin, reaching a new all-time high and seeing a little bit of a consolidation, but dominance is starting to weaken. And look what's happening with alts. Alts are having an amazing field day. So again, I want you guys to focus on that. But now if you're looking at Aster here, Aster did once again break out. So, when the Binance listing was announced, this thing did retest $2.16. We briefly went above $2.22, but got rejected once again, kind of finding itself back down to this range. The volume is definitely on its end, but again, I want you guys to keep in mind the bears. I apologize, guys. I'm still under the weather. So, you might hear a little bit of a cough, and, thanks for understanding. But anyhow, the bears just pretty much focus on it this way. Bears are trying to keep the price of Aster below here, because let me tell you one thing. As soon as Aster breaks out of here and closes this candle above that resistance, I think this thing rips to all-time highs much quicker than you guys are thinking. Right now, yes, we've seen two different rejections, but the fact that we have introduced ourselves above that key range two different times, I think it's inevitable, especially with the way the index is looking and Bitcoin is looking. I think it's inevitable. The next wave for Aster is close, in my opinion. But we're having a little bit of a battle between the bulls and the bears at this key level, exactly around $2.15. That's the exact level to be watching out for. And you want to see this resistance turning into support, which we're actually very close to. It's not far off. That's only a 5% move from where we currently are. But before anyone comes out and forgets, where we were just about 24 hours back, 48 hours back, we were sitting at $1.73. Since then, the price did go up 28%. So I don't want you guys to forget that when you're analyzing Aster. But again, we're going to take it one step at a time. I think breakout is imminent. I'll keep you guys covered. Of course, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thanks for all the love, guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.